Replacing the windows in your West Valley City home is a significant investment that can enhance energy efficiency, boost curb appeal, and increase property value. Proper preparation can make the window replacement process smoother, safer, and more efficient, ensuring you get the best results. Here are the best practices to help you prepare for your home for this important upgrade. Schedule an initial consultation with professionals before diving into the window replacement process. It is essential to consult a trusted window replacement company. During this visit, professionals will inspect your existing windows, assess your needs, and provide recommendations tailored to your West Valley City home. This step sets expectations, clarifies the scope of work, and ensures you have the right materials and styles lined up for your replacement. Clear the area inside and outside to provide your window installers with easy access. Take the time to move furniture, decorations, and any personal items away from windows. This includes clearing drapes, blinds, curtains, and any hardware. Outside, ensure shrubs, trees, or outdoor furniture are moved or trimmed back to avoid obstructing the installation area. Adequate space ensures that installers can work safely and efficiently. Cover furniture and flooring. Window replacement can create a significant amount of dust and debris. Protect your floors with drop cloths or plastic sheeting, and cover nearby furniture with protective materials. Many installation teams will bring their own drop cloths, but taking extra precautions can provide peace of mind, especially for valuable or fragile items. Remove window treatments and hardware. Curtains, blinds, shades, and any associated hardware should be carefully removed. This step not only protects your window treatments from dust and damage but also saves time on the day of installation. Label any hardware to make reinstallation easier once your new windows are in place. Disable security systems. If your windows are connected to a security system, notify your provider ahead of the scheduled installation date. This prevents accidental alarms and ensures your system is properly reconnected after the new windows are installed. Security system companies are usually accustomed to window replacements and can assist with any necessary adjustments. Create a clear path for installers. Ensure that installers have a clear path to each window being replaced. Remove obstacles in hallways, staircases, and entryways to provide easy access. This minimizes the risk of accidents and speeds up the entire process. Keep children and pets safe. For the safety of everyone involved, it's best to keep children and pets out of the work areas. Consider setting up a dedicated playroom or arranging for pet daycare while the work is being done. This precaution helps reduce distractions and ensures that the work proceeds efficiently. Plan for noise and disruption. Window replacement can be noisy and cause disruptions in your daily routine. Planning ahead by rescheduling important work calls, adjusting home activities, or arranging to be away from home can help minimize inconvenience. Informing neighbors of the work schedule is also a thoughtful gesture, especially if you live in close proximity. Verify weather conditions. Since West Valley City can experience varying weather conditions, it is important to check the weather forecast leading up to your installation date. Extreme temperatures, heavy rain, or high winds can delay or complicate the process. In case of unfavorable weather, communicate with your installer to determine the best course of action. Communicate with the installation team on the day of installation. Be available to answer questions and provide access to your home. Establishing a line of communication with the installation team can help address any unexpected issues that may arise and ensure that the project stays on track. Inspect the completed work. After the installation, take time to inspect the completed work alongside the installers. Verify that the windows open, close, and lock properly, and ensure any debris is removed. If you notice any issues, bring them to the team's attention immediately. By following these best practices, you can make the window replacement process in your West Valley City home as seamless and stress-free as possible. Proper preparation not only helps protect your property but also sets the stage for successful, long-lasting window performance. With the right approach, you'll enjoy the benefits of your new windows for years to come.